Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will talk about why your Coleman furnace is not igniting and how to fix it. Let's get started. Reasons why your Coleman furnace is not igniting. Blocked furnace filter. With time, dust, debris, and other foreign particles accumulate on the filter. These blockages restrict airflow, making the burner faulty. Faulty thermostat. The furnace is designed to be ignited when the thermostat is set on heat mode. Similarly, the thermostat may be faulty or damaged. Dirty gas burners. Oxygen is primarily needed for ignition. However, a clogged gas burner restricts oxygen flow, leading to ignition problems. Dirty blower assembly. The blower assembly may become covered in dirt or debris over time, leading to ignition issues. Here is how to troubleshoot the Coleman furnace. Clean or replace the furnace filter. Follow these steps. Unplug the furnace from the power supply. Lift the furnace cover. Depending on the manual, locate the furnace filter, which can be in the ductwork or the blower compartment. Remove the filter and inspect it for damages or dirt. If the filter is damaged, consider a replacement. Clean the filter using a vacuum brush if it is dirty or dusty. If you have a washable filter, use a light detergent in water to clean it. Rinse the filter and leave it to dry. Return the filter to the blower compartment. Clean the gas burner. To do this, follow these steps. Unplug the furnace from the power supply. Disassemble the access panel as per the manual. Access the burners in the burner box. Unscrew the burners to get them out. Use a brass wire brush to clean the walls of the chambers. To clean inside the burners, use an air compressor. Locate the flame sensors behind the last burner and clean it using fine steel wool. Return the burners carefully in position. Reposition the retainer plate and return the access panel. Replace the thermostat. Follow these steps. If the thermostat is set on heat mode and the furnace won't work, proceed to replace it. Switch off the furnace and unplug it from the power supply. Remove the thermostat cover and take some pictures for reference. Unscrew the wires from the old thermostats. Unscrew the old mount and replace it with a new thermostat mount. Connect the wires to the new thermostat. Secure the faceplate mount in place. Finish by placing the thermostat's face. Plug back in the furnace, switch it on, and test it. Clean the blower assembly. To do this, follow these steps. Unplug the furnace from the power supply. Disassemble the access panel. Access the blower assembly. Use a soft brush to clear any dirt or debris on the blower wheel and motor. Finish by lubricating the motor bearings. Assemble the access panel and test your furnace. Thanks for watching.